What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload the sample data into your Postgres database. First, I've already downloaded the sample data. This is it right here, called DVD rentals. So I'm going to extract the files are from it. Extract. If you have WinRAR, you can easily do this. So if you don't, you just install it, or any other application you can use to extract files from zip. So click on extract. So this is it right here. So now I'm gonna put it into my, come to my computer, click on it. Then we are going to C drive right here, click on it. Then come over to users, click on it. So depending on your system, you might see a different name here. What you're seeing here is Michael, depending on your name or the name you gave to your system, you might see it here. So just click here. So that might be different. Mine says Michael, just might have your name or your PC name there. So just come here. Now this is where we're going to put this folder. So just bring it in here and drop it. You can see down here, it's not inside any other file or inside here, it's on its own. So this is it. Then let's close this. Then come up to Postgres, click on it. So it's opening up right now. So you can easily download the sample database online from Google. So you can just type sample database Postgres, and you can easily see one and just read the instruction how the table works. Okay, it's opening up the table schema. Okay, so we're using pgAdmin 4. It's a graphical interface of the Postgres database instead of using the command line. But even if you use here, if you want to use the command line, you can still see your data once you have done it here. You can see your data, you can do what you want to do with it. Okay, now it's open up. So I just put in my password, which I put when I was installing the database. Click enter. Then take a look down here. Once I click the server, you click it 2 times. Look at that, server connected, database connected. Just click OK. So now we want to install the data. Click. Now the database I already created already. If you want to create one, just simply come to the top here, right click, create database. You put in the name of the database you want to create. You can either use the name of the sample file, then click save, and that's it. Okay, so let's close that. Let's restore. So come up to restore. So we're having these issues. Very simple to solve that issue now. It was saying please correct the binary part in the preference dialog. So it's the wrong part, so come here. So we come to our explore folder. Then we'll come over to C drive where we store the Postgres database, and come down to my program files. Okay, this is database, Postgres database. Click on it. Then click on it, 13. This way we're coming to binary bin. So click on the bin, come up here, click on it. We need this link. So copy this link.
Okay, now we close this window. After closing it, we go back to Postgres, then we go back to preference, and we are going to paste this link we just copied into the binary path. So let's do that now.
Okay, so after that we come up to file, click on file, then come over to reference, then come down here to bin path. Yep, then we're going to paste what we copied from the C drive right here. Just paste it. So that's it. Then save it. Then come back again and try restoring it. Restore. You can see now it's working. So you come to file name, click here. So remember we put the file into user, then the name that I gave to that path folder, Michael. It could be any name. So let's look for that folder. Yeah, this is it. DVD rentals. So click on it. So this is what we want. Click on that. Then select. Then restore. It says restore job created. Okay, now it says successfully completed. So let's close this.
Okay, now we are done loading the tables into the database. I want to view the table, and I also want to query one of the tables to make sure everything is working properly. So first, I'll go over to tools, then click on query tools. Then the windows will appear where I can type in my query, a table.
So we came all the way to tools and clicked on query tools. So now let's view the table we just uploaded. Come here. Come over to schema, then schema, then table. So you can see right here we have all our tables right here. So this is all our tables. So now let's make a query one of the tables. I'm going to query actors right here. So let's do that right now. Let's test it out. So select. Usually you're meant to type it in capital letter, or in capital letter the keywords. You select star. I want to select every row and column in that table. Actor. From actor. Then click enter. You can notice the enter didn't work, so you come up here to run it, execute it, and click execute. And boom, look at it, we have all our tables. So that's how you can load data to Postgres database and also solve the little issues you might have in the beginning. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Bye.
Hi, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Click the red button underneath the video that says subscribe. Thanks.